Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick. In today's video I will show you quickly how to get rid of frozen screen on your Galaxy A13. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now in many cases the phone might get glitch and the screen ended up being frozen, black screen or blank screen, something that you can't even use the phone, and a lot of people they think the phone defective or has hardware problem. I'm gonna give you this tip if you have the Galaxy A13 and also apply on other Android phones as well. All I need from you, the phone might be black like this and you're trying to press the power key, all these keys, and it doesn't work. My phone is working fine, so I don't have this issue. But if you have the same problem, don't worry. All you have to do is press the volume down and the power key together. You might need to hold on both buttons for around like 15 seconds or a little bit less till the phone restarts. So just be patient and keep holding both. And the phone, as you guys can see now, it shows Samsung Galaxy logo and the phone is restarting. So if your phone restart, congratulations, your phone is not defective and your phone should be back to work normal. Normally if you have this glitch, go ahead and check over the applications you have. You might have application cause a glitch in the system and it frees the phone. And that was very much it for that video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, make sure to subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick and give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you in the next video.